Hello guys! Today I'll be unboxing and reviewing the NCVI portable breast pumps. The product arrives in a simple pink box. The box comes with user manual, charger, USB cable, 10 storage bag, 4 size flanges, 2 bottle, and 1 breast pump. This breast pump is equipped with a single and double free switch, to be used as both unilateral and dual-sided pumps, to express more milk in less time. It has a mirror touch screen panel. It can be used as a mirror, which is super convenient. The pump comes with 4 different modes and 9 levels for stable suction and pain-free lactation. It has an anti-backflow design that prevents the backflow of milk and keeps bacteria away to maintain freshness and hygiene. You can use it both as unilateral and dual-sided pump. It has an oval TPR bell mouth that fits perfectly on the breast and prevents leaks and spills. The pump can be charged via the USB cable. It only takes 2 to 3 hours to fully charge it, and it can be used up to 3 hours continuously. The bottle is made of BPA-free plastic and is compact and lightweight, which makes it portable. Overall, I think this is a great breast pump. It is compact, lightweight, portable, and easy to use. It is equipped with everything one needs for breast pumping. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up.